Hello and welcome to this video about Mangools, a set of powerful SEO tools designed to help you improve your website's visibility on search engines. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at each of the tools included in the Mangools suite, and how they can benefit your SEO efforts. Mangools is an all-in-one SEO platform that includes 5 powerful tools: KW Finder, SERP Checker, SERP Watcher, Link Miner, and Site Profiler. Each of these tools is designed to help you improve your website's search engine rankings, by providing you with valuable insights and data that you can use to optimize your website. Let's start with KW Finder, which is Mangools' flagship tool. KW Finder is a keyword research tool that helps you find the best keywords to target for your website. With KW Finder, you can quickly and easily find low competition, high-traffic keywords that will help your website rank higher on search engines. KW Finder provides you with valuable data, such as search volume, CPC, keyword difficulty, and more, making it easy to choose the best keywords for your website. Next up is SERP Checker, which is a tool that helps you analyze search engine results pages, SERPs, for any keyword. With SERP Checker, you can see which websites are ranking for specific keywords, and analyze their SEO metrics to determine how difficult it will be to rank for those keywords. SERP Checker also provides you with important data such as domain authority, page authority, and more, making it easy to determine which keywords to target for your website. SERP Watcher is a rank tracking tool that helps you monitor your website's search engine rankings over time. With SERP Watcher, you can track your website's rankings for specific keywords, and see how they change over time. SERP Watcher also provides you with important data such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and more, making it easy to determine which keywords to target for your website. Link Miner is a backlink analysis tool that helps you analyze the backlinks pointing to your website, as well as your competitors' websites. With Link Miner, you can see which websites are linking to your website, and analyze their SEO metrics to determine the quality of those links. Link Miner also provides you with important data such as domain authority, page authority, and more, making it easy to determine which backlinks are helping your website's search engine rankings. Last but not least, Site Profiler is a website analysis tool that helps you analyze any website for important SEO metrics. With Site Profiler, you can analyze your own website, as well as your competitors' websites, to determine how well they are optimized for search engines. Site Profiler provides you with valuable data such as domain authority, page authority, backlinks, and more, making it easy to determine how to improve your website's search engine rankings. In conclusion, Mangools is a powerful set of SEO tools that can help you improve your website's visibility on search engines. Whether you're looking to find the best keywords to target, analyze search engine results pages, track your website's search engine rankings, analyze backlinks, or analyze website SEO metrics, Mangools has the tools you need to succeed. So why not give Mangools a try today, and start improving your website's search engine rankings? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.